What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into something we all do, filling up our cars. But did you know the fuel you choose could be silently damaging your engine? I'm going to show you which gas brands to be cautious of and which ones actually protect your vehicle based on real facts, not just marketing hype. So if you care about your car's health, make sure you stick around. Every journey starts at the gas station. You hear that click of the nozzle, and you trust you're putting good stuff in your tank. But some fuels clean your engine, while others quietly leave behind gunk that steals performance and fuel economy. For older cars, this difference can mean another trouble-free year or a surprise repair bill you never saw coming. The crazy part? The damage doesn't happen on the highway. It starts right there at the pump. So let's look at 7 brands to think twice about and 3 that are worth your money. First up, Murphy USA. You see them everywhere, especially next to Walmart with their bright blue pumps promising big savings. It feels smart to save a few bucks, especially when gas prices are high. But cheap and smart aren't always the same thing. Unlike major brands like Chevron or Shell, Murphy USA is not top-tier certified. This certification requires stronger detergents to keep your engine clean. Without it, the gas just meets the bare federal minimum. So what does that mean for your car? The American Automotive Association, or AAA, ran tests and found that engines using non-top-tier fuels built up 19 times more carbon deposits after just 4,000 miles. These deposits act like plaque in an artery, clogging up your engine's valves and combustion chambers. Your engine slowly starts to suffocate. Over time, acceleration feels sluggish, your gas mileage drops, and you might even see a check engine light pop up. A few cents saved per gallon can quickly turn into hundreds of dollars in repairs. The fix is simple. Look for the top-tier sticker before you fill up. Your car doesn't necessarily need premium octane, just consistent quality. Next, let's talk about US Gasoline. This brand plays on a common myth, that all gas is the same. The signs look familiar, the prices are competitive, but the real difference is happening inside your engine. Just like with other non-certified fuels, the gas from US Gasoline can leave behind a thin film of residue. With every tank, that layer gets thicker, coating your engine's intake parts. At first, you might notice a shaky idle or a slight hesitation when you accelerate. These are the early warnings of carbon buildup. Chemically, it's pretty straightforward. Without powerful detergents, carbon particles stick to hot surfaces, which messes with your engine's timing and air-to-fuel ratio. This can lead to higher emissions, rougher idling, and can wear out your spark plugs and catalytic converter faster. Again, USA Gasoline is not top-tier certified, and those same AAA tests confirm the risk of significant deposit buildup. For older cars, a few months of cheap gas can erase years of good maintenance. One mechanic I know showed me a fuel injector from a car that only used USA Gasoline. It was dark and sticky. He said it's not the miles that ruin engines. It's the invisible shortcuts. Remember Gulf? The classic orange and blue logo used to be a symbol of trust on America's highways. Back in the day, that brand stood for quality fuel and honest service. But things have changed. Today's Gulf isn't one big company. It's a network of independent operators who are just renting the name. This means the gas they sell often comes from different regional suppliers, and the quality can be all over the place. One Gulf station might have great, high-detergent fuel, while the one down the road could be selling a blend that barely meets federal standards. This inconsistency is a real risk. Modern engines are precision machines, and even a thin layer of carbon can throw everything off balance. What starts as a small rattle can turn into poor acceleration and bad gas mileage. The top-tier certification was created to prevent this by guaranteeing consistent quality, but Gulf isn't on that list. This means you're taking a gamble every time you fill up. The logo might bring back memories of the good old days, but nostalgia doesn't clean your engine's valves. So what have we learned? Not all gas is created equal. The top-tier certification is a reliable sign of quality fuel that will help protect your engine in the long run. Heritage may warm the heart, but engines only answer to chemistry. Drive through small western towns and you'll see the Holiday Oil logo glowing softly in red and white. It feels local, friendly, and familiar, a place where the clerk knows your name and the prices look fair. But underneath that small-town warmth lies a technical truth few people think about. The cleaner a station looks above ground, the dirtier it might be below. Small chains like Holiday Oil often have slower customer turnover and longer storage cycles. That means underground tanks stay half full for extended periods, giving water vapor time to condense and sediment to settle. As the fuel sits, its detergent additives begin to break down. When that old batch finally reaches the pump, it carries more residue than protection. On paper, holiday oil meets federal standards. In reality, those standards are just minimums designed for compliance, not for cleanliness. That's why the top-tier program exists, to enforce higher detergent levels that scrub carbon before it sticks. According to a 2024 analysis by 24/7's Wall St., holiday oil ranks among the lowest quality fuel brands in the country and does not appear on the official top-tier list. That matters more than a friendly cashier. Without strong detergents, fine particles and moisture pass through filters and into your engine, scratching metal, clogging injectors, and throwing off the delicate balance of combustion. Older vehicles show it first: rough starts, uneven idling, and reduced mileage. By the time your mechanic points to clogged injectors or a failing fuel pump, the money you saved is gone many times over. Next up, Safeway operates 288 gas stations across 16 states in the U.S., primarily in the West and some mid-Atlantic regions. They are not available nationwide, with significant portions of the U.S., such as New York, Texas, and Florida, having no locations. The logo stays the same, but the gasoline inside varies from region to region, refinery to refinery. A few decades ago, that didn't matter much. Engines were forgiving, but modern fuel systems are not. They rely on tight tolerances and consistent detergent levels. Without them, carbon deposits creep in, valves stick, and fuel economy quietly fades. Safeway nostalgia still shines bright, but loyalty doesn't clean injectors. And trust, once burned, doesn't refill easily. Now let's head to the islands to look at the Hawaii Fueling Network, or HFN. Every drop of fuel that reaches Hawaii travels thousands of miles by sea. Each leg of that journey, shipping, storage, blending, adds cost. To keep prices manageable, suppliers start trimming the invisible margins. Fewer tank cleanings, weaker additive mixes, and slower product rotation. It's not corruption. It's survival. But chemistry doesn't care about accounting. Heat and salt air accelerate oxidation, turning gasoline slightly acidic. Moisture condenses in underground tanks, separating from ethanol and forming a thin layer of water that fuels corrosion. With long intervals between tanker shipments, fuel often sits for weeks. The results show up under the hood: rougher idling, slower starts, and a fine varnish on injectors and valves. Unlike Shell or Chevron, HFN isn't top-tier certified, meaning it's not required to use stronger detergent blends. The cost of paradise, it turns out, is often hidden. Finally, let's talk about Alpra. Most people have never heard of it, and that's exactly how it stays in business. The cheapest gas stations in America don't need billboards. You'll spot them at the far edges of truck stops or lonely interstate exits. Plain pumps, faded signs, and a low price flashing on the board. Budget fuel chains like Alpra run on a simple rule: buy cheap, sell cheaper, and skip the extras. They source gasoline from large shared terminals, but without the licensed additive packages that make fuel cleaner and safer for engines. By avoiding brand fees, they also avoid quality obligations. No top-tier certification means no requirement to add detergents that protect against carbon buildup. This fuel meets the absolute bare minimum legal standard, which is nowhere near what a modern engine needs to run clean. The detergents in top-tier gas are specifically designed to prevent this, but at a budget station, you're not getting them. Those few cents you save at the pump can turn into hundreds or even thousands of dollars in repairs down the line. So next time you see a suspiciously low price, remember that your engine might end up paying the difference. The fuel you find at discount stations, the kind that just meets the bare minimum standards set by the Environmental Protection Agency. These standards are designed to prevent your engine from failing, not to keep it running smoothly. Premium brands like Shell and Chevron go way beyond this baseline. They get what's called a top-tier certification, a benchmark that many discount chains just don't meet. This gap saves those stations money, but it can cost you big time in the long run. They might skip regular maintenance, delay cleaning their tanks, or dilute the additives that keep your engine healthy. Their fuel often sits around longer, exposed to air and moisture, which leads to oxidation and sediment buildup. Once that gunk gets into your car's tank, the problems start. Residue clogs your fuel injectors, carbon sticks to your valves, and your sensors start to wear out. Mechanics all over the country have noticed a pattern. Cars that regularly use discount gas often have rougher idles, lower fuel efficiency, and more gunk in their engines, especially in the cold. It's no surprise that a 2024 report from 24/7's Wall Street ranked one of these chains, Alpra, among the lowest quality fuel suppliers in the US, citing poor additive control and inconsistent storage. The low prices keep people coming back, feeding a system that values saving a buck today over long-term reliability. But when a brand prioritizes its profit margin over your car's health, that cheap fuel stops being a good deal. It becomes a sign of a market running on fumes. Thankfully, not every brand takes that shortcut. Some invest in better chemistry and stricter quality control, choosing science over slogans. They don't just talk about purity, they deliver it, one tank at a time. Now, let's look at the other side of the road, at brands that actually protect your engine. Take Chevron, for example. They don't just sell fuel. They sell a formula designed to keep your engine clean. Since the 1980s, their engineers have been obsessed with fuel chemistry. The result is Chevron, their own special detergent that's been shown to cut valve deposits by over 90%. This keeps your engine's airflow smooth and efficient. Unlike many competitors, Chevron controls everything from the refinery to the pump. That means no shortcuts, no diluted additives, and no missed doses. Every single batch of fuel is blended precisely at the terminal with detergent levels that consistently go above and beyond top-tier requirements. The results are subtle but powerful. Your engine starts faster, runs smoother, and lasts longer between tune-ups. Mechanics often see fewer injector and sensor problems in cars that run on Chevron. This consistency isn't an accident. Chevron's entire supply chain is monitored to reduce oxidation and water contamination, the two main enemies of good fuel. So even when the fuel travels long distances through changing temperatures, its chemical balance stays stable. And the benefits are real. According to a research, top-tier fuels like Chevron's can keep engines up to 19 times cleaner than standard gasoline. This reduces emissions, improves mileage, and extends your engine's life. Chevron's promise isn't about fancy marketing. It's about faithful chemistry that delivers real-world results. Chevron isn't just a detergent. It's a line of defense for your engine. For over a century, Shell has treated fuel like a science, something you can measure, repeat, and constantly improve. I've personally trusted Shell for years, not because of some flashy ad, but because it's never let me down. Every time I pull up under that red and yellow sign, I know exactly what I'm getting: fuel that's been tested, refined, and proven long before it ever reaches my tank. That quiet reliability is why millions of drivers keep coming back. It's not just a habit. Their engines can feel the difference. Shell doesn't chase trends. It engineers predictability. From its refineries to the pump, Shell maintains one of the most tightly controlled blending systems in the world. Every drop is measured with precision and enriched with V-Power Nitro Plus, its signature additive co-developed with Ferrari engineers. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's applied chemistry, born on the racetrack and perfected for everyday driving. Independent tests show that V-Power Nitro Plus can cut deposit buildup by up to 60% compared to basic fuels, helping your injectors and valves stay clean. When I first learned that, it explained something I'd already noticed: smoother idling, quicker acceleration, and steady mileage, even on long road trips. There is something reassuring about knowing the same chemistry that powers championship race cars is also protecting the car in your driveway. Shell is top-tier certified at all its U.S. locations, which means every gallon meets or exceeds the detergent levels that automakers recommend for long-term engine health. And that's its hidden strength: consistency. Whether you fill up in California, Texas, or New York, the chemistry is the same. That kind of uniformity isn't luck, it's discipline. Cleaner fuel leads to cleaner combustion. It protects your catalytic converter, prevents sensor problems, and keeps emissions low. It's a perfectly balanced ecosystem of air, fuel, and fire. Shell doesn't need to shout about excitement. It delivers endurance. For generations, the name has stood for reliability, reminding us that true performance comes from precision, not just promises. Costco never set out to be a major player in the fuel industry. They just proved that you don't have to sacrifice quality to offer a fair price. Long before the warehouse doors open, you'll see cars lined up at Costco's fuel lanes. Members scan their cards with confidence, knowing the same values they trust inside the store. Transparency and consistency apply out here too. Costco's model is simple. They don't make their money from high markups on gas. They earn loyalty through massive volume and fairness. The prices are low not because the fuel is cheap, but because the profit margin is. And because of the huge daily demand, Costco's fuel tanks are refilled constantly. This means you're always getting fresher gasoline with less oxidation and fewer impurities. Most other stations just can't match that turnover speed. But here's what really surprises people. Costco fuel is top-tier certified. That's the same high standard met by brands like Shell and Chevron. Every gallon contains high-quality detergent additives designed to keep your engine running cleaner and more efficiently. Independent studies by AA and JD Power in 2024 ranked Costco among the most trusted names for both fuel quality and price integrity. In lab tests, Costco's fuel reduced engine deposit buildup by over 70% compared to non-top-tier gasoline. Drivers noticed the difference: steadier idles, quicker starts, and engines that stay cleaner for longer. It's quiet efficiency, no frills, no hype, just chemistry that works. While other companies spend millions on marketing campaigns, Costco focuses on maintenance and integrity. Their tanks are monitored daily, filters are replaced regularly, and their high standards are non-negotiable. What makes Costco special isn't some secret technology. It's their philosophy. They treat gasoline the same way they treat groceries: quality first, profit second. By cutting out the hidden markups and insisting on engine-protecting additives, Costco turned a simple member convenience into one of America's most reliable fuel programs. No slogans, no flashy ads, just clean, fair, dependable fuel every single time. In the end, the story of gasoline isn't really about brands. It's about trust. Every time we pull up to a pump, we're making a choice about the standards we support. The cheap stations show us what happens when shortcuts replace science. The good ones, the disciplined ones, prove that chemistry and integrity still matter. From the underground storage tanks to the spark inside your engine, every decision leaves a mark. Every act of care becomes protection that lasts. Chevron and Shell show us what happens when consistency is a promise, not just a slogan. And Costco reminds us that fairness and quality don't have to be mutually exclusive. Fuel isn't just energy. It's a reflection of values invisible but real, burning through every mile we drive. Because what keeps our cars running isn't just gasoline. It's the standard we refuse to lower. This discussion is purely about transparency, chemistry, and consumer trust. If today's analysis made you think differently, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more independent deep dives. Thanks for watching.